Hello, guys. Welcome to ODJ Updates, where we give you breakdown of the forex market, of the financial market. We give you breakdown, top-down analysis on the market and how you can trade it. You can trade profitably. Well, on my screen right now is GDP USD. On the weekly chart, we can we can see that the British pounds fell. The British pound fell in value against the US dollar for the past week now. That was what I predicted. If you check my previous videos, you will see it. And and we predicted that the US market is going to gain. That the yes the US dollar is going to gain, and across all pairs the other pairs are going to drop, like GDP, USD, and etc. So, from my analysis, I'm seeing, uh, though the week has ended, I'm seeing the market maybe dropping a little. There will be not much this week. There will be not much today. There will be not much done. But I see the market maybe getting rejected. The market might move up and get rejected at 38309 and get rejected, and maybe close at 37718, and that should be around that should be around that should be around that should be around 61 pips. So we are expecting the market maybe to make 61 pips. That doesn't mean it's not going to buy. It's going to buy. It might touch this level. If it touches this level, you might want to sell this 1836. That zone there, it might sell to 37745. My prediction is that the market is still going to fall further. That's my prediction for the British pounds. Let's see US dollar card. US dollar card. US dollar card. From what we have right here, US dollar card, we probably gain. Probably gain. It will probably gain. It will probably gain. Probably. It will probably gain. It will probably gain. And yeah, it will gain. It will gain. The US dollar made a lot of gains this week. Made gains this week. So we will see further gain of the US dollar. We see the US dollar gaining more. Maybe next week. Let us look at the fundamental. There's not much news this today. There's not much news today. Today is a roundup of all that has happened. So there's no great impact news that can impact the market more positively. So that is it. I think this is the wrap up of the week, the wrap up of the week, and let us check Euro USD. Euro USD. We see a drop. We see a further drop of the market. So it is. It is. A it's just a it's just a wrap up of the market. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you updated. Well, by tomorrow, or before next week, we before the start of next week, I'm gonna do a breakdown of of the market and see the prediction and see what the week ahead, what awaits us. So thank you very much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe as we grow this channel.